Highs in the mid-40s. Lows in the lower 30s. Monday through Tuesday, mostly clear. Highs in the lower 50s. Lows in the mid-30s.
First snow squall warning.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a snow squall warning for northeastern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, west-central Harford County in northern Maryland, northern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:28 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located 7 miles north of Caucasieville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, poor visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes Interstate 83 between Maryland 137 Mount Carmel Road and Maryland 45 York Road. Locations impacted include Caucasieville, Westminster, Bel Air North, Timonium, Fallston, Hampstead, Manchester, Pleasant Hills, Jarrettsville, Motherville, Timonium, Upperco, Long Green, Bentley Springs, Phoenix, Jacksonville, Butler, Moulton, Glencoe, Benson and Baldwin. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.